Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine and safe at your homes, right? So students, today we are going to start the exercise part of this chapter. Chapter number 11, Light, Sound and Force. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1, objective type question. Question number A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Now look at the first blank. The sun is a dash source of light. The sun is a natural or man-made source of light. Yes, so the answer is natural because sun जो है वो light का natural source है, वो man-made नहीं है. Sun is a natural light, right? So the sun is a natural source of light. Second one, a shadow is dash at noon. Long or short? Yes, it is short. A shadow is short at noon and long at morning. Yes. Third one, our ears helps us dash sound. Our ears helps us to hear sound. हमारे जो ears है वो हमें help करते हैं to hear the sound, right? Now fourth question, dash sound called noise. Loud and unpleasant or soft and pleasant? So the answer is yes. Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. जो sound बहुत ही ज़्यादा loud और unpleasant होता है, ऐसे sound को हम बोलते हैं noise. Then fifth one, a push or pull is called dash. A push or pull is called yes, force. A push or pull is called force. Then question number B, write T for the true and F for the false statement. Look at the first one. Friction is a type of force. Yes, it is true. Friction. What is friction? Friction is a special force that slows down the movement. Right? Then second one. All objects gives off light. सारे objects वो हमें light देते हैं. It is false. This statement is false because not all the object gives off light, right? Some objects gives us light and some object does not gives us light. Then the third one, all sounds are pleasant. This statement is also false because सारे sounds जो होते हैं वो pleasant नहीं होते हैं. Some sounds are loud, some sounds are soft, some are pleasant, some are unpleasant and some sounds are yes, it's called noise. Then fourth one, shadow of different objects are of different colors. Shadow जो होता है right, तो उनका जो different object होता है तो उसका shadow भी different color का होता है. So this statement is false. Fifth one, friction makes things go faster. This statement is also false because friction makes the things slow down. Friction makes the things slow down, not faster. Then question number C, choose the correct option. First one, which of this is not a source of light? इनमें से कौन सा इस option है जो light का source नहीं है? A, sun, B, glowworm, C, bulb or D, bottle? Yes, so the answer is D, bottle. Bottle is not the source of light. Bottle जो है वो हमें light नहीं देती है. Then second one, which of this is not true about a shadow? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो शेडो के फीचर्स को डिफाइन नहीं करता है, जो शेडो के लिए फॉल्स है? ए, इट इज ऑलवेज ब्लैक. बी, इट्स लेंथ इज डिफरेंट एट डिफरेंट टाइम्स ऑफ द डे. शेडो जो है वो हमेशा ब्लैक होता है. शेडो की जो लेंथ होती है वो डिफरेंट टाइम पे डिफरेंट होती है. देन सी, इट इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ लाइट. शेडो हमेशा लाइट के ऑपोजिट साइड में ही फॉर्म होता है. एंड डी, इट इज ऑलवेज शॉर्ट. वो हमेशा शॉर्ट होता है. व्हाट? शेडो. सो द आंसर इज डी, इट इज ऑलवेज शॉर्ट बिकॉज जो शेडो होता है वो हमेशा शॉर्ट नहीं होता है. समटाइम्स इट्स लॉन्ग एंड समटाइम्स इट्स शॉर्ट. एंड द थर्ड वन, which of this is an unpleasant sound? Which of this is an unpleasant sound? A. Chirping of a bird, sound of a waterfall, C. Loud scream of a child and D. Sound of sea waves. इनमें से कैसा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो अनप्लेजेंट साउंड है? इन 4 हमें ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, राइट? तो ये जो साउंड्स है इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा साउंड्स है जो बहुत ही ज्यादा अनप्लेजेंट है? यस, इट इज सी. लाउड एंड स्क्रीम ऑफ अ चाइल्ड इज अ अनप्लेजेंट साउंड. Fourth one, what are the 3 things that force can do to an object? A. Push, B. Pull, C. Peel or D. Friction. So the answer is C. Peel. Then fifth one, which of this is a pleasant sound? A. Bursting of crackers, B. Crying of a baby, C. Sounds of wild chim, then D. Barking of a dog. Which sound is pleasant? Yes. So the answer is sound of a wind chime. And turn the page. Sixth one. Which of this is a source of light? A. Fire, B. Carpet, C. Book और D. Table. इन ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो लाइट का सोर्स है? So the answer is A. Fire. Fire gives us light. And the seventh one, which of these helps us to make sound? इनमें से कौन सा एक ऑप्शन है जो हमें साउंड बनाने में हेल्प करता है? A. Tongue, B. Ears, C. Eyes और D. Nose. So the answer is tongue. Our tongue helps us to make sound. 8.1. Which of this is not true about false? A. It can make a moving object stop. B. It can make an object move. C. It can change the shape of an object. And D. It can change the color of an object. So the answer is D. It can change the color of an object. Because force जो है, it can, yes, it can make a moving object stop. It can make the moving object move, and also it can change the shape of an object. But it cannot change the color of an object, right? Then question number D, circle the odd one out in each of the following. A. Loud sound, soft sound, tongue or noise. So the answer is tongue, because loud sound, soft sound and noise, they all are sounds, but the tongue helps us to make sound. Tongue is not a sound. So tongue is the odd one in this option. Then the second one, bell, music, telephone or cry. So the answer is yes, music, because bell, telephone and cry. Then the second one, bell, music, telephone and cry. So the answer is yes, telephone is the odd one in this options, because bell, music and cry, they can make a sound, but telephone doesn't make a sound. जब उस पे रिंग बजती है तो ही वो साउंड करता है, बट जो टेलीफोन है वो साउंड नहीं करता है. देन थर्ड वन, कैंडल, कारपेट, चेयर और टेबल. सो द आंसर इज candle, because candles gives out light, but the carpet, chair and table doesn't gives us light. That means candle is a luminous object and carpet, chair and table, they are non-luminous object. Then the fourth one, bag, sun, stars or bulb. So the answer is bag, because bag is a non-luminous object, and sun, stars and bulb, they are luminous object. Then the fifth one, bark, cry, play or honk. So the odd one is yes, play, right? Because bark, cry or honk, they are loud and unpleasant sound. Then the next question, give one word for the following. Look at the first one. Object that do not gives off light, that is called non-luminous. जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमें लाइट नहीं देता है, ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट को हम बोलते हैं नॉन लुमिनियस. देन सेकंड वन, a dark patch that is formed on the ground when an object blocks the path of light. जब एक डार्क पैच फॉर्म होता है, जब जहाँ से लाइट आ रही है उसके पाथ को अगर हम ब्लॉक करते हैं तो क्या होता है? यस, ग्राउंड पे एक डार्क पैच फॉर्म होता है, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? शेडो. अ डार्क पैच दैट इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट ब्लॉक्स द पाथ ऑफ light is called shadow. Then the third one, loud and unpleasant sound are called noise. Loud and unpleasant sound are called noise. Then a push or pull is called force. A push or pull is called force. Then the last one, a type of force that slow down movement is called friction. A special force that slow down the movement is called friction. Then the question number B, give two examples of the following non-luminous object. The examples for the non-luminous objects are table and chair. Non-luminous object means the objects that does not gives out light is called non-luminous object, right? Chair and table, they does not gives us light, right? Second one, pleasant sound. So the examples of the pleasant sound are music and chirping of bird. Then unpleasant sound, so the honking of vehicles and cry of a baby are the examples of unpleasant sound. Then effects of force, move an object and change the shape. So the effect of a force is move an object and change the shape. Then the fifth one, objects that make sound. कौन सा ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट्स है जो they can make the sound, जो sound प्रोड्यूस करता है? So they are loudspeaker and whistle, right? These objects makes the sound. Then question answers, ये हम थोड़ी देर बाद करेंगे. Then after, let's recall different kinds of sounds. Different kinds of sounds. There are soft, loud, unpleasant, pleasant and noise. These all are the different types of sounds, right? Now example of the soft sound are whisper. Example of loud sound are ring of a school bell. Then example of unpleasant sound are honking of vehicle. Then example of pleasant sound are music. And example of noise is everyone in your class talking loudly at the same time. This is an example of a noise, right? Now let's observe. Observe the picture given alongside. Ritisha has entered a room where the floor was wet. What made Ritvik slip? Is the friction more or less in this picture? तो एक पिक्चर हमें दिया गया है, राइट? यहाँ पे जो ऋत्विक है, ये बॉय, ये वेट फ्लोर है, वहाँ पे स्लिप हो जाता है. तो हमें क्या आंसर देना है कि जो फ्रिक्शन है वो ज़्यादा है या कम है, राइट? फ्रिक्शन इज मोर और लेस इन दिस पिक्चर. सो द आंसर इज वेट फ्लोर मीन्स देयर वुड बी लेस फ्रिक्शन. वेट फ्लोर का मतलब वहाँ पे कैसा फ्रिक्शन होगा? बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम. Wet floor means there would be less friction. When friction is very less, things slides. जहाँ पे friction बहुत कम होता है वहाँ पे जो चीज़ें हैं, जो things है, वो slides करती है. This is why Ritvik slipped when he ignored the sign saying wet floor at room. तभी ऋत्विक जो है वो वेट फ्लोर में स्लिप हो गया जब उसने यहाँ पे एक बोर्ड दिया गया था वेट फ्लोर का, जब वो उसने इग्नोर किया तो क्या हुआ? वो वेट फ्लोर पे स्लिप हो गया, राइट? वेट फ्लोर मीन्स देयर वुड बी लेस फ्रिक्शन. व्हेन फ्रिक्शन इज वेरी लेस, थिंग्स स्लाइड्स. दिस इज व्हाई ऋत्विक स्लिप्ड व्हेन ही इग्नोर्ड द साइन सेइंग. So students, let's start the question answer part of this chapter. Look at the first question. What are luminous objects? Give two examples. What are luminous objects? So an object that gives out light are called luminous object. For example, bulb, sun and bulb. जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमें लाइट देते हैं उन सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम बोलते हैं luminous object. An object that gives out light is called a luminous object. And examples of the luminous objects are sun, bulb, right? Look at the second question. What is the shadow? When do objects form shadows? So, the dark patch formed when an object blocks the path of light is called a shadow. The dark patch formed when an object blocks the path of light is called shadow. जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट जहाँ से आ रही है उसके पाथ को वो ब्लॉक करता है तो क्या होता है, एक डार्क पैच फॉर्म्ड होता है ग्राउंड पे, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं शेडो. शेडोज आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट ब्लॉक्स द पाथ ऑफ लाइट. तो शेडो तभी फॉर्म होता है जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट के पाथ को ब्लॉक करता है, राइट. द डार्क पैच फॉर्म्ड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट ब्लॉक्स द पाथ ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड अ शेडो एंड शेडो आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट blocks the path of light. Look at the third question. What are the different types of sounds we hear? So, we hear various kinds of sounds like the ring of a bell of school or telephone, the cry of a baby, bark of a dog, etc. So students, we hear various kinds of sounds around us, right? Like the ring of a bell of school or telephone, the cry of a baby and bark of a dog, etc. So some sounds are soft. Example, whispering. Some sounds are loud. For example, ring of school bell. Some sounds are pleasant, for example, music, and some sounds are unpleasant, for example, the continuous honking of vehicle. तो हम हमारे आसपास कितने सारे डिफरेंट साउंड्स सुनते हैं, तो उनमें से कुछ साउंड्स जो होते हैं वो सॉफ्ट होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल विस्परिंग. कुछ साउंड्स होते हैं दे आर लाउड, एग्जाम्पल रिंग ऑफ द स्कूल बेल. सम साउंड्स आर प्लेजेंट. For example, music. The pleasant sound means the sounds that we like to hear. And then some sounds are unpleasant. The sounds that we does not like to hear. Example of unpleasant sounds is the continuous honking of vehicle. Then the fourth question. Differentiate between luminous and non-luminous object. Give examples. So what is the difference between luminous and non-luminous object? So the answer is an object that gives out light is called luminous object. For example, sun and bulb. While an object that does not give out light is called non-luminous object. For example, table and chair. So, जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमें लाइट देते हैं उन सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम बोलते हैं luminous object. For example, sun and bulb. While जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जो हमें लाइट नहीं देते उन सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम बोलते हैं नॉन लुमिनियस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेबल एंड चेयर, राइट. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज फ्रिक्शन? गिव वन यूज ऑफ फ्रिक्शन इन आवर डेली लाइफ. सो व्हाट इज फ्रिक्शन? द फोर्स दैट स्लो डाउन मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्शन. फ्रिक्शन मतलब एक ऐसे स्पेशल फोर्स जो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट के मूवमेंट को स्लो कर देती है, उनको हम बोलते हैं फ्रिक्शन. एंड इट हेल्प्स ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन हेल्प्स अस टू वॉक, राइट. द फ्रिक्शन हेल्प्स अस टू वॉक. With the help of the friction we are able to walk. So students, that's all for a day. If you have any query regarding this chapter, please drop a message. Thank you.